So what this one does is that it will convert it from wireless. It will convert it out from wireless. From this one. Somebody is there. Hey, why? What is wire here? So tó bá ti jáde jẹ́ kán mọ̀ o. Tí yóò bá ti lọ. You be electrician, go down. Thank God. Just leave am like that. Just so this is the Starlink itself. So this is the device. This is the mount. So this one. The moment I press it here like this, this one will come out. So we are putting this one on the roof. We are mounting this like this. We are mounting it on the rooftop. By itself, after mounting it, there is a app that we work on. It will set and lock to the nearest satellite. So over time, Starlink have like close to like 30 satellites in space. So if you lock to this one today, if you see another one, it lock to another one tomorrow. So this is the cable. So this is the satellite antenna. This is the cable. This is the indoor unit. This is the router. This is the power. So the way it's being done, this will enter through here and connect to this. Let me check this.
It's the first one.
No, it's not this one. Let me remove it. Let me remove it. It's this. So this one will pass through. Pass through here like this. Okay. After it will now pass through this one like this. It will come back. Okay, like this. So you will first need, that's why I said you should carry flash band along. We will nail this one to the roof. No matter the inclination, even if you bend like this, it will set by itself. So this now is connected to the indoor unit here. And this is where the power is connected. But because we want to share the network, this one will be connected to this. But because we want to share the network wired so that everywhere here can have the network, we will remove this. We'll now put the converter, this down converter, connect this one here. We'll now connect this. Now connect it here. All other setup, we'll connect it here. So all other setup, this will now be the main link wire that will link with the
subs.
The 24 pulse switch. So what this one is doing now, what this one is doing is this now. We want to share the wireless. If you use the wireless of only this, it has a limit. But this has a range of, although the range is not written there, but sometimes they used to write the range there. But this is 9 decibel. If you plug it in like this, all these we have internet, except maybe some places inside. We'll later check it. So I'm still going to, and this one has its own PoE as well. Let me tell it. Or should we carry everything up? Let me go and explain it up, then we'll now bring it down back. So only get there. That is one PoE. We call this one ACP. Yeah.
ACP.
So this one has its own PoE. Like this. This one is a single port. There are some that are multi-port. So the port here will connect where the right PoE here. This LAN now will now connect to our 24-port switch up there. So now connect to our 24-port switch up there. That 24-port switch, that's where all the access points, the one at this or the reception, the one at the, what's it called? At the bar, the two wires that are LAN cable that is here, the one for the CCTV, they are planning to add another CCTV gate. From that switch, everybody will be receiving signal. So I'll just put a username and password on the wireless alone. There is another way we can do it, the way I did it at Captor Hotel. You can put microtik here and secure this system with microtik. I will give them maybe 1,000 pieces of paper. where we write username and password. So we can say anybody that come around and lodge, the moment you use 5 gig, it's until the next day that it will connect. But since Starlink come with around 2 terabytes, and after that, I'm not sure maybe 1 or 2 terabytes, we just bring down the speed. It's not that the internet will not come. So we don't need to put them on data limits. We might later put them on bandwidth limits later, but we're not going to put them on data limits. So this will be outside, facing that place where we talk now. Will be facing this building. We now have another ACP now. Let me pass this here. We want to do what we call point to point.
Point to point.
Point to point means that bakery there. We want to link internet from here to that side. Although he said we should. That one might be tomorrow. We will now put, that's why I said you should come with that pole. We now put this one on the pole here. It must be facing the one at the other end. We need 2 laptops there. One laptop will be here with electricity, another laptop with electricity. I will now set up what we call the static IP address. If I use 0.11 here, I'll go and use 0.22 there. I'll ping it from here. The moment it ping at the other end, then I'll supply internet. Meaning that internet will flow from here down to the other end. But we are starting with this now. So what I need you guys to do is that let's first draw the internet cable out. The next thing we do is that we will join the ladder together. Someone will go to the roof to go and nail this on the roof and use flashbang. Who is going to the roof? Who is going to nail it? Donald.
I go follow am, I go.
You can follow and do it. You will go and nail it.
I'll go.
2 of you go. 2 of you go. The way Donald is doing as if.
Now why are you running from it?
Why are you running?
You still
So the moment I press
you
it,
not do the
it will
work.
come out.
Then this thing, flashbang, who bring am?
AY bring am. Abi, even flash band.
Yeah. So I join ladder together. I said, if I say